Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file Uber Eats taxes. First, understand that as an independent contractor, you are responsible for your own taxes. Begin by tracking all income from your deliveries. Uber Eats typically provides a tax summary, and you might receive a Form 1099 NEC if you earned over $600 or a Form 1099K in some cases. Keep these documents handy. Next, maximize your deductions. Keep meticulous records of all business expenses. Vehicle expenses are a big one. You can deduct either the standard mileage rate, which is often around 65.5 cents per mile, or actual costs like gas and repairs. Don't forget other deductions such as your cell phone, insulated delivery bags, and any other supplies essential for your work. Now, let's calculate your tax liability. First, determine your net earnings by subtracting all your deductible expenses from your total Uber Eats income. Then, you'll need to calculate self-employment taxes, which cover Social Security and Medicare, typically around 15.3% on your net earnings. If you expect to owe over $1,000 in taxes, consider making quarterly estimated tax payments. Finally, it's time to submit your tax return. You'll use Schedule C, attached to your Form 1040, to report your business income and expenses. Additionally, you'll file Form SE to calculate your self-employment tax accurately. Remember to submit both your federal and any required state tax returns by the respective deadlines to avoid penalties. Good luck with your filing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.